Hi, welcome to HardReset.info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Motorola X40 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life. So, firstly, open the control panel, and first step is to reduce the screen brightness. The second step is to disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you don't need Wi-Fi right now because you are using mobile network, just disable Wi-Fi, and vice versa. If you don't need Bluetooth right now, disable it because you don't need it right now. So disable the hotspot, nearby share, and disable the NFC and location services. To disable location, you need to click on the edit button, find location here, drag it to the upper part of your screen, and you will see location here and close location. In this way you will disable location services. Great. Then when you have disabled all unnecessary features, you can enable the dark mode, because in the dark mode our device, so our screen, as you can see, was created from thousands of micro LED lamps. It means that you don't have the LCD liquid crystal screen where the crystals are rotating and you have black color and other colors too. Here you have lamps, and every of this lamp can produce the color you see, but any lamp can't create black color. So if you see black color, it means that lamps in this area, in these places, are disabled. So if you will enable the dark mode in the black places, your screen will disabled, and in these places your screen is not consuming your battery power. Great. And the last step you can do is to enable battery saver mode. Enabling it, your processor will be limited to work with only 70% of full performance, and in this way you can improve your battery life. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.